Hello, my name is Jonathan David Flores Torres. I am 20 years old. My mother's name is Gladys Torres. She is 52 years old. She is a housewife. She is a hardworking woman and excellent mother. My wife is Estefania Jaramillo. She is 27 years old. She is a financial engineer. She works in Colombia de Comercio. She is beautiful, very intelligent, and loves studying. My house is compact, big 2 rooms, the kitchen a small room, a bathroom, and a part to wash clothes. Has stairs that communicate from the rooms to the kitchen and other stairs that communicate from the rooms to the bathroom. I get up every day at 6 a.m. to organize breakfast and fruit for my wife take to her work. I accompany her to take the car to the parking lot, and I say goodbye to her. Return to the house. I start studying from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. After studying, I start to organize the clothes to take to the work. I bath and I get cut. After being organized, I start preparing my lunch. When the lunch is ready, as I am out to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I leave my work where I enter at 1 p.m. and leave at 10 p.m. I come back to the house at 11 p.m. when I get home again, but again I prepare my food. I brush my teeth, kiss my wife, and leave down to sleep at 12 a.m. The city where I live is Medellin. This city is the best and is beautiful, with a warm climate, with friendly people, with money, place to be with your family or friends. It's a city where you can easily transport from south to north on the subway. Has many emblematic places park to know. It has many natural parks to breathe new air. But the best of Medellin and what makes it different is the difference of the people.